Hey guys, let's make this week's Guardian column recipe, which is a beetroot leaf pakora, which I'm going to turn into a delicious chaat. One of my favorite foods from India. It's a street snack that you buy on the side of the road across South Asia, and it's full of flavor. Chaat means tasty or to lick. It's that delicious, you'll want more and more and more. It's sweet, savory and umami deliciousness. To make your beetroot leaf pakora, first make your batter by mixing together chickpea flour, water, black salt and chaat masala or garam masala. And then dip your flours into the batter. You don't need a total covering. It's nice to see some of the leaf when it's shallow frying in a hot medium pan. And then drain on kitchen towel before assembling with lots of red onion, coriander chutney, chaat masala, curd or yogurt, tamarind concentrate or chutney, lots of pomegranates, coriander and sev or Bombay mix. And there we have our delicious beetroot leaf chaat.